Namaskar. Welcome once again in Sundar Sir's classes. Friends, we are going to discuss today an important topic called noun. Noun is one of 8 part speech in English grammar. So today we are going to discuss if what is a noun. If what is a noun. अगर हम देखें कि नाउन क्या है, सबसे पहले हमें इसी बात को एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा कि नाउन क्या है। तो उसी के अंदर हम कह सकते हैं कि नेम ऑफ प्लेस, पर्सन और थिंग। द नेम ऑफ प्लेस, पर्सन और थिंग। थिंग हेयर मीन्स एनीथिंग वी कैन थिंक ऑफ इट। कोई भी ऐसी वस्तु जिसके बारे में हम सोच सकते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ नाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द नेम ऑफ प्लेस जस्ट लाइक दिल्ली। Person we can make Sachin. Thing, anything like table, chair, teacher, students, anything, whatever we can think of it, all things are called a noun. Hope you make your clear view about if what is a noun, कि noun क्या होती है, ये हमारा स्पष्ट हो जाता है। Our next stage is to discuss next is kind of noun. Kinds of noun, कि noun के kind कितने कितने प्रकार के जो है वो nouns होती हैं। सबसे पहले हम जो फर्स्ट इसका लेते हैं that is common. Common noun. As per its name, it's clear that what is common, that something is common. The name of anything that represents the whole caste, all kind, whole species is called common noun. कि ऐसा शब्द जो किसी पूरी जाति के बारे में हमें ज्ञान देता हो, उसके बारे में बताता हो, उसको कॉमन नाउन हम उसे कहते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से डॉग इज अ faithful animal. Here dog is a common noun because dog means not a single dog but the whole species of all the dog in the world. Here represents the dog. In the next way, man is mortal. Man is mortal. Here man, not the single man but the whole man in the universe. So that is the first kind of noun, that is called common noun. We come to the next one, proper noun. That is proper noun. Proper noun we can say name of particular person or place. Particular name, the name of particular place and person. जब कोई विशेष किसी जगह का या व्यक्ति का नाम होता है, that is called proper noun. For example, we can before we can discuss about this also, just like we can say Modi ji is the Prime Minister of India. Here we can see two proper noun, example of two proper noun. First, the Modi ji, the name of person, another one the name of place, India. So in this way we can define the proper noun. Delhi, India, any place, just like we can say USA, England, whatever the name of any place or person, just like we can say Donald Trump or Vladimir Putin, Li Jinping. It's like whatever the name of any person, place we can discuss about, that is called, all are including in proper noun. Here we can talk about the another kind of noun. The third kind of noun we can say it is collective noun. Collective means a collection, a group of something. Collective noun is a group of something. किसी समूह, किसी व्यक्तियों का समूह, किसी वस्तुओं का समूह हो सकता है. A group of person or things is called a collective noun. Just like army, team, flock, jury, committee, crowd, mob, all these are example of a collective noun, means collection, a group of something or something or person, that is called a collective noun. In this way we come, the next hour is material noun. Material noun, substance, the name of substance by which all things are prepared or made. ऐसा पदार्थ जिससे किसी वस्तु का निर्माण होता है, इसे हम मटेरियल नाउन या हिंदी में इसको द्रव्यवाचक बोलते हैं, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा, दैट इज कॉल्ड मटेरियल नाउन. द नेम ऑफ एनी सब्सटेंस और मटेरियल, बाय दिस with the help of these material or substance we make a new things, that is called a material noun. Example of material nouns we can say, just like milk, water, soil, gold, etc. There are so many: wood, sand, iron, copper, oil. All these materials or substances are exist in this world are categorized in material noun. Okay, now we come to the last kind of noun, that is called the fifth one, that is called abstract noun. That is called abstract noun. Abstract noun, the name of under this kind we expresses some kind of means like bravery, laughter, some action, some state. All these are including in the abstract noun. हिंदी में इसको हम भाववाचक संज्ञा बोलते हैं, जिसका अर्थ होता है किसी प्रकार के भाव, जैसे बहादुरी का भाव है, कोई अवस्था है किसी चीज़ की, तो इस प्रकार से हम इसको लेते हैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन के अंडर. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन में जो बेसिकली तीन चीज़ें होती हैं वो क्या हैं? नंबर एक, क्वालिटी, एक्शन, थर्ड है स्टेट. These three are categorized under abstract noun. Like under the quality, what are including in under quality? इसके दौरान क्या चीज़ें आती हैं? Just like bravery, cowardice, honesty, you can say honesty. All these kind of quality of a person or thing. Length, width, all these. Next, action. Action are also including in just like laughter, sometimes weeping also. ऑल दीज एक्शन, ये कि जब भी कोई कार्य इसी प्रकार के कुछ एक इसमें इंक्लूड होते हैं एक्शन के अंतर्गत. थर्ड हमारा होता है स्टेट. स्टेट मीन्स एक अवस्था, जस्ट लाइक यूथ, चाइल्डहुड, ब्रदरहुड. All these are including in all these are called abstract noun. Abstract noun categorized under three: quality, action, and state. So all these are the kinds of a noun. we just discuss about one topic remaining in this. It is very important topic to discuss about proper noun. There is special thing about proper noun कि proper noun में कुछ एक विशेष है, वो क्या है? I want to keep a notice of you. There are two special things we have to care about, special features of a proper noun. First is proper noun is always begin with capital letter. Begins with a capital letter. इसको ध्यान रखना कि प्रॉपर नाउन हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से लिखी जाती है, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के शुरू में है, चाहे वो सेंटेंस के मध्य में या लास्ट में कहीं भी आए. प्रॉपर नाउन इज ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद द कैपिटल लेटर इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड. जस्ट लाइक वी कैन से Delhi is the capital of India. Here capital D, Delhi D, and here also India, and it is also capital. So that is the that is we have to wear about always. Another thing we have to remember about the proper noun is sometimes proper noun is used as common noun. कि कई बार प्रॉपर नाउन को कॉमन नाउन की जगह भी हम प्रयोग करते हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन इज यूज्ड एज कॉमन नाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन व्हाट कंडीशन? समटाइम्स वी कंपेयर द प्रॉपर नाउन with the another one or as the whole. That is why we used a proper noun as a common noun. For example, he is a Sachin Tendulkar. Here Sachin Tendulkar, it is a proper noun, but here used Tendulkar means a great player, a great cricketer. A great cricketer means here Sachin Tendulkar is compared, it is used as a great player. It is used here, Sachin Tendulkar is used as a common noun, not as proper noun, because if you use proper noun then we never use any article before a proper noun, but here we use article, so it is used as common noun. Like this, Kashmir is the Switzerland of India. Here Switzerland is a proper noun, but is used as a common noun because it is compared with the Kashmir. So these two proper noun are used as common. So there are the 2 points belongs to proper noun. We should always remember, keep in our mind when we use these proper noun as common noun. Here we have another type of 2 kinds. We divide all nouns in 2 categories, another expressions, so that is दो अलग अन्य भागों में हम इसको बांटते हैं नाउन को. वो भी कौन कौन सी, अनदर कौन कौन सी है? एक है काउंटेबल, दूसरी है अनकाउंटेबल. Countable and uncountable. There are 2 another kind of a noun. We can categorize these nouns, one in countable, another one uncountable. As per the name, जैसा कि नाम से स्पष्ट है, countable the nouns which we can count them. We can count. we can't count simply. जिनको हम गिन सकते हैं काउंटेबल, जिनको हम नहीं गिन सकते अनकाउंटेबल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट लाइक मैन, बॉय, टेबल, pen, all these nouns are categorized under a countable noun, where to them we can count them easily by 1 2 3 4 etc. ऐसी नाउन जिनको हम 1 2 3 करके काउंट कर सकते हैं, जिनकी संख्या को काउंट कर सकते हैं, वो काउंटेबल नाउन कहलाती हैं. दूसरी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के अंदर जस्ट लाइक वी कैन से मिल्क, वाटर, ऑनेस्टी, gold, all these we can measure them but can't count. हम इनको गिन नहीं सकते, मेजर कर सकते हैं, माप सकते हैं, पैमाना मापने का इनके लिए प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, बट वी कांट काउंट देम. काउंटिंग एंड मेजरमेंट, देयर आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो we can count them, that is called countable noun. We can't count them, that is called uncountable nouns. So always remember these two types of nouns, also countable and uncountables. In uncountable noun categories, in uncountable, all material nouns and abstract noun, material and abstract noun, all these nouns are always categorized under uncountable nouns. So always remember that. So friends, this was our first lesson on nouns. Hope you understand. उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आया होगा. If you have any queries, if you have any your questions, if you have anything you want to ask me, please go down in the comment section and comment me, or you can mail me also. My email address and my contact number and all these information you want to share with me, you can. You are heartily invited for all this. Please subscribe my channel and make like and share it. If you have any problem, any queries, any questions, please comment down them in the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.